Part 15, Volume of Different Figures. You will find this on page 214 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to succeeds. Volume of different figures. Volume of prisms. It will always be the area of the base multiply the perpendicular height between the two bases. So it's the cross-sectional area multiply the distance between the two bases. Okay, let's start with a cylinder. In many ways, a cylinder is like a prism. However, a cylinder is not a prism because the base of a prism must be a polygon which has straight sides, but the base of a cylinder is a circle. Although a regular polygon can become a circle if its number of sides is increased indefinitely, a polygon must have a finite number of sides, and so a circle is not a polygon. Although a cylinder is technically not a prism, it shares many of the properties of a prism. Like prisms, the volume is found by multiplying the area of one end of the cylinder, the base, by its height. So the volume of a cylinder is the area of the cross section. So the area of the base multiply the height. So what is the area of a circle? Pi r squared multiply the height. So it's pi r squared multiply the height. That's the volume of a cylinder. Let's look at example 18. The base radius of a solid cylinder is 3 centimeters and its height is 10 centimeters. Find the volume of the cylinder. Now, if a diagram is not given, draw a small one of your own and fill in the information just to help you. So, the radius is 3 and the height is 10. We have the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared multiply the height. So pi is 3,14 multiply 3 squared multiply the height. And I just calculate it and I just get my answer. Okay. I want you to do try now 18. I want you to stop the video and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Let's start. Try now 18. The base radius of a solid cylinder is 2 centimeters. Okay, so let's just make a small picture. That is going to be 2. Okay, and its height is 8. Okay, so if I go to the height, okay, go back and I will now fill it in. I just have to change the pen. Okay, don't have to be perfect. So what will the height be? The height will be 8. So basically, I will start with the formula. So I will say the volume of a cylinder. And I will first write it down. Now remember, it's easy to remember. It's the area of a circle times the height. So I do substitution in brackets. Now, pi, take it as 3,14. The radius, look at your sketch, it's 2. And the height will be 8. And then take your calculator and multiply that. And if you multiply that, you will come to an answer of 100.48. And that will be, because it's volume, it will be cubic centimeters. Okay, let's look at the next one. Example 19. The base radius of a solid cylinder is 5 centimeters and its height is 15. Find the volume of the cylinder. Leave your answer in pi. So don't substitute anything in pi. So we do exactly the same. The radius is 5, the height is 15. We start by writing the formula. We do substitution in bracket, but we leave pi. So we just multiply all the numbers, put it in front, and just leave pi. It actually means that we must say 375 multiply 3,14 to get the exact answer. But this is more accurate due to the fact that we did not approximate the value of pi. Okay, I want you, I think I already did it for you here, so I'm just going to clean it. Okay, so I want you to do try now 19. You can stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Try now 19. So we're going to do a small sketch, very rough. So the radius of the cylinder, and what do they say? They say this is 7. Okay, and then they go, and this is the height, and this is also the height. And then if I draw this, okay, it's not so accurate now. And oh, the height is also 7. So let's start. The volume of a cylinder. Start with the formula. It's the area of a circle. Remember area, the 2 is on top. Multiply the height. So leave pi, they want you to leave pi, fill in the radius, fill in the height. So it's actually 7 times 7 times 7, so it's 7 cubed. And if I work out that, just put that number in front and just leave your pi. And that is a more accurate answer than if you substitute pi.